You found it, the perfect home in Pennsylvania, and now you're ready to make an offer. This is a huge step, and I'm so excited for you. But what actually happens next? Let's break down the PA offer process step by step to make it super clear and stress-free. First, we dive into the offer details. We'll decide on the purchase price, what you're willing to pay, then the settlement timeline, when you'd like to close on the home, and critically, contingencies. These are your safety nets. Think inspections to check a home's condition, financing to secure your loan, and appraisal to ensure the home's value. These terms protect you and strategically also make your offer strong and appealing in a Pennsylvania market. Once we've got all those details dialed in, we'll officially submit your offer to the seller. This is where the magic happens. The seller will review it, and then we might enter into negotiations. Don't worry, I'll be right there with you, guiding you through every counteroffer and decision, ensuring we get you the best possible outcome for your new PA home. Making an offer in Pennsylvania doesn't have to be complicated. With the right guidance, it's an exciting journey to homeownership. If you're ready to take this next step, or if you just have more questions, reach out. I'm here to help you and navigate the PA real estate market and find your perfect place. Let's make your homeownership dreams a reality.